Welcome to Dystopian Bot Rise, where we uncover the mechanical marvels behind the food that flavors our meals and lives daily. Our journey begins in the sun-drenched valleys of California, the undisputed capital of garlic production for the entire United States market. Here, millions of garlic bulbs grow quietly underground, waiting for the precise moment when they reach their peak flavor and size. When harvest season finally arrives, massive industrial machines descend upon the fields to begin a process that relies on precision engineering. Specialized blades slice through the earth, gently lifting the bulbs while shaking off excess soil to prepare them for their journey. The conveyor belts create a mesmerizing river of white and purple bulbs transporting the harvest from the ground to the trucks. Harvesters and transport trucks move in perfect synchronization, ensuring that not a single second is wasted during this critical collection phase. Once filled to capacity, these heavy trucks begin their journey, carrying tons of fresh produce towards the processing facility nearby. The logistics are calculated perfectly to ensure the garlic arrives at the factory while it is still fresh and ready for processing. We arrive at one of the largest garlic processing plants in America, a facility designed to handle millions of pounds annually. The trucks unload their cargo into massive receiving hoppers, creating a thunderous sound as the raw bulbs enter the production line. From the receiving bay, steep conveyor belts lift the raw material, carrying it towards the first and most crucial cleaning stages. Powerful vibrating tables shake the bulbs violently, forcing heavy rocks, dirt clumps, and field debris to fall through the mesh screens. Giant industrial fans blast air across the line, separating light organic waste like loose skins and dried leaves from the bulbs. Automated trimmers equipped with sharp spinning blades precisely cut away the root systems without damaging the valuable cloves inside the bulb. Now cleaner and trimmed, the bulbs are ready for the next phase, where they will be broken down into individual cloves. The cracking machine uses soft rubber rollers to apply gentle pressure, breaking the whole bulbs into individual cloves without crushing them. A mixture of cloves and loose skins cascades onto the next belt, creating a chaotic stream that needs further sorting and cleaning. Powerful vacuum systems hover above the line, sucking up the lightweight skins, while the heavier garlic cloves continue their forward path. Rotating drum graders sort the cloves by size, ensuring that only the best specimens are selected for the premium packaging lines. These smaller cloves drop through the mesh for mincing, while the large, perfect cloves roll to the end for whole clove processing. We now enter the high-tech zone, where advanced optical sorters use cameras and lasers to inspect every single clove individually. Sophisticated software analyzes the visual data in real time, instantly identifying any discoloration, damage, or signs of decay on the cloves. When a defect is spotted, a precise jet of compressed air blasts the bad clove off the line in milliseconds. What remains is a stream of nearly perfect garlic cloves, uniform in quality and ready for the most impressive stage, peeling. This massive steel chamber houses the air peeling system, a revolutionary technology that replaces the tedious work of manual peeling. Inside the chamber, high-pressure air is blasted at the cloves, causing the tight skin to burst and separate instantly from the flesh. The cloves emerge completely naked and pristine, while with their surfaces smooth and undamaged by any metal blades or abrasive tools. This method preserves the integrity of the garlic, ensuring it retains its natural oils and flavor profile much better than mechanical abrasion. The peeled cloves are immediately submerged in a bubbling cold water bath to wash away any remaining microscopic dust or sticky residue. High-pressure sprayers provide a final rinse, ensuring that every single clove meets the strict hygiene standards required for food safety. Despite the automation, human inspectors stand guard at this stage to catch any imperfections that the machines might have missed. Here the production line splits. Some garlic will be packaged whole, while a significant portion is diverted for chopping and mincing. For the minced variety, the cloves are fed into industrial choppers that precisely dice the garlic into uniform, ready-to-use pieces. Yet the minced garlic is often mixed with water or oil and natural preservatives to maintain its freshness and color inside the jar. In another section of the factory, garlic destined for powder is sliced thin and sent through massive continuous dehydration tunnels. Warm air circulates around the slices for hours, gently removing moisture while concentrating the pungent flavor into a crispy flake. Once completely dried, these crispy flakes are fed into powerful grinding mills that pulverize them into a fine, aromatic powder. The result is a fine, consistent powder that will eventually find its way into spice blends and pantry shelves worldwide. Before any product can be packaged, samples are rushed to the on-site laboratory for rigorous quality control and safety testing. Technicians carefully measure moisture levels and essential oil concentrations to ensure the batch meets the factory's high flavor standards. So advanced X-ray machines and metal detectors scan every single ounce of product to guarantee that absolutely no foreign objects remain. Sensory experts perform taste tests, verifying that the garlic has the correct pungency and characteristic bite that consumers expect. With quality confirmed, the production line shifts into high gear for the final and most visually satisfying stage: automated packaging. Precision nozzles descend into the glass jars, dispensing the exact weight of minced garlic in a fraction of a second. Further down the line, capping machines apply and tighten the lids with consistent torque to ensure a perfect airtight seal. High-speed labelers wrap branding around the jars, giving the product its final identity before it meets the customer's eye. For fresh whole garlic, specialized machines drop the bulbs into mesh nets, clamping them shut with metal clips in rhythmic succession. Robotic arms with suction grippers pick up multiple jars at once, placing them gently but swiftly into shipping cartons. The boxes are sealed with tape and stamped with tracking barcodes, ready to be palletized for distribution across the country. Palletizing robots stack the cartons with geometric precision, creating stable towers that are wrapped in plastic for stability during transit. Forklift drivers navigate the massive warehouse, moving the finished pallets to storage racks or directly to the loading docks. At the loading docks, the cycle completes as the processed garlic is loaded onto trucks, ready to leave the facility. From this single location in California, these products are distributed to supermarkets, restaurants, and kitchens across the entire nation. Eventually, the product lands on a grocery store shelf, waiting for a shopper to choose it for their next meal. In the kitchen, the garlic releases the aroma that started in the fields, now adding essential flavor to countless favorite dishes, from a bulb buried in the dirt to a processed product in your pantry. The journey of garlic is truly remarkable. This industrial cycle ensures that despite the seasons, we have access to this essential ingredient every single day of the year. It is a testament to how modern technology and agriculture work hand in hand to feed a growing global population. The factory never truly sleeps, continuing its rhythmic production to meet the endless demand for this simple yet vital bulb. So the next time you cook with garlic, remember the incredible industrial odyssey it undertook to reach your cutting board. Nature provides the raw material, but human ingenuity and engineering perfection deliver it to the world at an unprecedented scale. Behind every jar is a collaboration between the farmers who nurture the soil and the engineers who design the process. As we leave the facility, The trucks continue to roll in, ensuring the cycle of production continues without a pause. Processing hundreds of tons daily, this facility stands as a monument to the efficiency of the modern American food supply chain. The mesmerizing flow of the conveyor belts reminds us that our food system is a complex machine of moving parts. Each clove is handled with care, processed with speed, and packaged with precision to ensure the highest quality for consumers. From Italian pasta to Asian stir-fry, this humble ingredient unites cuisines and cultures across the globe through its distinct flavor.
We have an unstable reading
Back in the control room,
Section 7.
operators keep a watchful eye,
Rerouting
ensuring that
auxiliary
efficiency remains
Status
high
updated to
and safety
green.
standards are never compromised. Regular maintenance and constant upgrades keep these mechanical giants running smoothly, minimizing downtime in this fast-paced production environment. Even the waste has a purpose, as discarded skins and roots are often composted to return nutrients back to the earth. Transparency is key, both in the glass jars we buy and in the clear, regulated processes that produce them. The symphony of clanking glass, whirring motors, and hissing air jets creates the soundtrack of modern industrial food production. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the fascinating world of garlic processing and the technology that makes it possible. Thank you for watching Dystopian Bot Rise. Subscribe now to discover more industrial secrets hidden within our modern automated world.